Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install apps from unknown sources on your Honor Play 60 Plus. So simply first of all go to settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video tutorial.